So welcome and come on into the kitchen. Today I want to make a sour cream pound cake as we have no desserts made in the house at the moment. I have a large tub of sour cream in my refrigerator and I better find a way to use it. I also have a pot of potato soup simmering on the stove and I can put a little sour cream in there as well. Now, I want to build a cake collection of videos, so I'm going to start with this one. This is a Southern sour cream pound cake and it is so good. So let's get started. Let's start out by sifting our flour, baking soda, and salt together and set it to the side. Oh, and don't forget to preheat your oven to 325 degrees. This cake will bake about 90 minutes. Now, let's move on to our wet ingredients. I'm going to add 3 sticks of softened butter, which is 1 1/2 cups, and 3 cups of sugar, and blend them together well. Now I'm going to add my room temperature eggs one at a time and let them mix well. This recipe calls for 5 eggs. I will be sure to put the recipe in the description of this video. Now I'm going to start alternating my wet and dry ingredients, a bit of flour and then some buttermilk and so forth until it's all incorporated. You want to start with your dry and end with your dry. Why do you do that, you ask? Well, it's all about the butter. The whipped butter sugar mixture cannot absorb much liquid. Adding the liquid all at once could saturate the creamed butter mixture and cause the batter to separate. Adding all of the dry ingredients will cause the batter to be thick and likely result in overmixing, which will yield a tougher cake. Okay, so now it's time to add the sour cream. Then just stir it a little bit until it's incorporated. Now let's put it in our greased and floured bundt pan, and I hope this pan will hold all of the mix. I have a larger pan and I may need it. Nope, it fit. Good deal. This Southern sour cream pound cake is always a favorite with a cup of coffee in the morning. My goodness, it is good. It is moist and velvety with a soft crumb and tastes downright heavenly by itself or topped with whipped cream and fruit. Give it a try and let me know what you think, and I will talk to y'all next video. Bye.